everyone. Today in this video we are going to revise the poem A Legend of Northland by Forbes Cary. Let's start with the summary of this poem. The poem is a legend about an old lady who angered Saint Peter because of her greed. The story goes on like this. One day Saint Peter was preaching around the word and reached the door of a cottage where this woman lived. She was making cakes and baking them on a hearth. Saint Peter was fainting with hunger. He asked the lady to give him a piece of cake. The cake that she was baking then appeared to be too big, so she did not give him at that, and instead she baked another smaller one. That also appeared to be big, so she did not give him that also. The second time she baked yet another smaller cake, but found it too big to give away. In the third attempt, she took an extremely little scrap of dough and rolled it flat. She had it as thin as a wafer, but was unable to part with that also. This angered Saint Peter a lot. He said that she was not fit to live in human form and enjoy food and warmth. He cursed her and transformed her into a woodpecker bird who had to bore in hard, dry wood to get its scanty food. She can be seen in the trees all day boring and boring for food. Now we will do some questions. Which country or countries do you think the Northland refers to? The Northland refers to the region around the North Pole which is extremely cold. It could be any country like Russia, Canada, Greenland, Norway, etc. What did Saint Peter ask the old lady for? What was the lady's reaction? Saint Peter asked the lady to give him a cake as he was hungry. The lady did not give him a cake out of the ones that she had baked. Instead, she baked a smaller one for him. How did she punish her? He punished the selfish lady by turning her into a woodpecker bird that had to bore into the dry wood all day to get some food and shelter. How does the woodpecker get her food? The woodpecker gets food by boring holes in the wood. Do you think that the old lady would have been so ungenerous if she had known who Saint Peter really was? What would she have done then? If the old lady knew who Saint Peter was, then she would not have been ungenerous. On the other hand, she would have served him well for the fulfillment of her greedy desires.